Welcome to the Witchard Stovall Public Library's TD Summer Reading Club demonstration. Our summer reading program is going to be run completely online this summer, and we have a wonderful program that will help us accomplish that. It's called Beanstack. So what you have to do to register is go to our website, wsplibrary.ca. When you type that in, our website comes up. It looks like this. You will go over to where it says Kids. Click on that once. A drop-down menu appears. And then the very last one, TD Summer Reading Club 2020, give it a click. And this is our website for this summer reading program. It starts June 20th and goes through August 29th. To register, you're going to click on this red button on the bottom. It's going to ask you if you've previously used Beanstack for the summer reading program. You're going to say no because we have never used it before. It wants to know if you're registering yourself. As an adult, we also have an adult reading club, so you could also register yourself for that. But we're going to, as an adult, register a child. And the first thing you have to remember, you need to input either your phone number or email address so that we can notify you if your child is a prize winner. We're going to put your first name in, and then last name, username, and email. We're going to confirm the email. And we'll put in our phone number. It has to be the 10 digits, no spaces, no dashes. Our password has to be at least 6 characters. We'll confirm it again. And then we put in our children's information. So we've got a child named Everett. Last name Davy. Everett is 10 years old. And in the fall, he will be attending Oscar Peterson. So all the information is filled out. I'm clicking next. Just by registering the child, we have earned 1 ticket and unlocked our first badge. Would you like to add another child? Well, yes, Everett has a sister. So we're just doing that little girl's information this time. Emma is 5. And she also will be going to Oscar Peterson in the fall. She has also earned a ticket for registering and unlocked her first badge. No, we don't have any more children. At this point, you could also register yourself for a reading program. We're going to say no. So we're all set up. And here's our main page. And you'll notice that up top in the left-hand corner, we have Everett's name listed. So everything that we enter right now is for Everett. Once we finish with Everett, we will come back up here and switch it to Emma. Okay. So as it states here, as children read throughout the summer, they can record their time read each day, complete challenges, make crafts, join virtual programming, and provide book reviews on books that they've read. Each of these activities enable children to earn tickets that will include them in weekly prize draws. And so we've got logging badges. So when they read a certain amount, it will unlock these. We have activity badges. There's weekly things that the kids can do to earn badges. And then there are review badges when they do a review on the books that they've read. So let's start by logging a book that Everett has read. So I've clicked at the top on the red button. We're going to log the minutes that he has read, time spent reading. He has read 1 hour, 30 minutes. He has read Harry Potter. Now, because there's so many Harry Potter titles, they will pop up and give you a list. So he's read the first one. So it's the Sorcerer's Stone. I'm going to choose it, and it will automatically populate the fields. We're going to include a review. So we're going to say yes, and we're going to log. So for reading, he's earned an 4 for reading an hour. So we're going to enter a draw. He's got 6 tickets to spend. And he can use those tickets in the first week if he really wants his first prize. Or he can keep all of his tickets for the one prize that he wants all summer long. Boston Pizza gift card, perhaps. It doesn't matter. So let's go click on the Boston Pizza. We're going to add tickets. It lists the amount of tickets that are up here. We're going to go plus. And as we keep adding the tickets in for that Boston Pizza, there's less of them here. So I'm putting 3 tickets in for the Boston Pizza gift card draw, week 10. And those last 3 tickets, let's say I want the Amphicraft set. I'm going to put those 3 tickets in that one. So I've entered 3. There are no tickets left, but I've got tickets in for 2 different prizes in 2 different weeks. And if he just changes his mind, he decides, I really don't want this craft set as much as I thought, I can subtract tickets. So if he just clicks on subtract tickets, it's going to take away 2 of those tickets, leave 1. And then I'm going to add 2 tickets somewhere else. I want to try to get this one in the first week. So I've got 2 tickets available. I'm adding the 2 tickets there in week 1. That is simple. All right. So now, since I've logged reading time, I'm going to add a review for that book that I've read. So we're going to do Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, J.K. Rowling. Reviews, regardless of age, require a minimum of 100 characters. So I'm just going to type anything here just to show you that as I type, the characters change here, telling me how many left I have to type as a minimum. They want to do a lot longer, that's great. So I'm going to save it. For doing that review, I've unlocked another badge and I've earned 1 ticket. I can enter a draw at this point if I wanted to. So once again, I've got that 1 ticket to spend anytime over the summer. And I'm going to add it to the Z bricks. There's 1 ticket and I've added it there. Right. So all of my tickets are used up at this point, but I have them put in for draws. All right. So activities. We've done our minutes. Let's click on activities. So week 1 activities are here. He has completed 0 of 3 so far. If I click on it, the activities come up. So it's a sports and games theme throughout the summer. So all of the activities will reflect that theme. Here's the craft challenge for week 1. If your child makes this craft, it's a little 2 little feet that will move along on its own. They make that craft and send a picture of it to us, showing that they've actually created the craft. I will send them a secret code, and you will enter the secret code here. And that's how you will get more tickets for doing that particular craft. Same thing for activity sheets. Complete that, send it to us so that we know it's complete. And you also get points for doing that. Okay, they're fairly simple. It's supposed to be fun. We don't want it too difficult. So that's week 1 activities. And same throughout the summer. And when you attend some of the online performers, we'll also give you a code once we know that you've attended, and you will get points for that. Okay, so it's pretty easy. When you've done Everett's, we want to switch over to his sister. Just going to click here, going to click on Emma's name. And now we switch to Emma. Emma's in a different age group. She's in the 3 to 6. Everett was in the 7+. So things are slightly different. So let's start by logging something that she's read. So we're going to do time. She has read for 1 hour. And the book she read was Snow White. Okay. She can include a review, sure. And we're going to go log. So she's unlocked her first badge because she's read for 1 hour. She's earned 4 tickets. We're going to enter the draws. Her prizes are different because they're age appropriate. So let's say she wanted to put them towards a Scribble Scrabble. So she's earned 11 tickets. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. And then I'm going to go down later on, and I want to win. So I like drawing. Just going to put the rest of her tickets in the Crayola set. All of her tickets are gone. There's none left to spend, but she's been put into 2 draws. So we're going to add a review. Okay, and once again, she's going to have to type up 100 characters, which isn't too much, like maybe 2 sentences. We're going to go save. She's earned 1 ticket for that review. She can enter a draw again. Let's just put it in for the trucks. And we're going to close. All right. So the difference between the older kids and the younger kids are prizes. The badges that she's won, just like her big brother, she's won for registering. She has unlocked different badges here. Reading for 15 minutes, she achieved that. She read 30 minutes, she achieved that. She read 45 minutes, she achieved that. She read 1 hour, she achieved that. And then the rest are still gray because they have not been accomplished yet. I'm going to click on the activities for her. So her week 1 activities, none have been completed yet. Hers are a little bit different than her brother's. The walking feet craft it's fairly simple. The coloring sheets will be different. Okay, so it's mainly going to be coloring sheets for this age group. And as long as we receive those so that we know whether it's a picture or what, or you scan it, we will give them a code so that they get activities or points for their activities. Okay. And once you're done, you go up to the top here to this red, looks like a tire wheel, and you sign out. Or if you wanted to, if you spelled your child's name wrong, you could edit the account here, or you can edit the account over here. So that is the summer reading program. Pretty cool. So we hope that you're going to participate. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us. We'll be happy to answer. We hope that you're going to sign up soon and keep reading all summer long. It's been a strange year, and hopefully this reading program will take the strangeness out of everything that's been happening, because we do this every summer. It's going to be a special summer just because we're doing this at home. So enjoy your reading, and we hope that you have great fun and win lots of prizes.